So YouTube remarketing is a concept wherein, let's say we are also running a YouTube channel regarding our business, where we post a lot of video content about our business, our product and services. So what we notice is that a lot of people come to our YouTube channel and watch our videos. However, they don't go to our website later on to do business with us. So in such a case, we can run YouTube remarketing campaign as well, wherein people who engage with our videos, we can follow them with our ads as well. So over here, we build out a YouTube remarketing list in which we are going to collect the IP address, users, data of people who engage with our videos. And then we link this to our search or display campaigns where we can follow them with our ads. So let's see this, guys, how we can create it. So once we are on our Google Ads platform, we can go to the tools section in shared library and go to audience manager. So in audience manager, we can create a new remarketing list for YouTube users, people who interact with our videos. And here we can go ahead and give it a name, let's say YouTube users. And then we can link our YouTube channel to this particular remarketing list in this particular way. And then we take the action. So what exactly do we want to define as an action, which can be people who are interacting with our videos as ads, or any particular videos as ads. We can do that also. Or let's say they're just interacting, viewing our certain videos or any video. So we can define different types of action over here and then follow them with our ads. So this is becoming a video remarketing segment, which we have created now, which can then be linked to any search campaign or a display campaign, and we can follow them out there. So how it is going to look like is when we go to, let's say, any particular display campaign. Let's say we are in the display campaign and we go to the audiences section where we want to use this particular remarketing list. So we can go to audiences and we can edit the audience and we can add this particular audience out here. So what will happen is we will be able to follow these users with our display ads, and we can show our ads to them. So here we can go to browse, where we are going to look at how they have interacted with our business. And you're going to choose YouTube users over here. So when you choose YouTube users, you will see the one which we created over here as well, which is YouTube specifically. Okay, so this is the one which we created, Feb 28. So now we have linked the YouTube remarketing list to this display campaign to follow these users with our display ads. So this is how YouTube remarketing can work, wherein you can follow customers who engage with your videos of your YouTube channel, and you can show them your display ads related to your product and service, or it can be search ads as well. I hope this makes sense. And now you understand how YouTube remarketing works, and I will see you in the next video.